Hi, so today I'm going to share my morning routine with you all, like how I start my morning. Even though I'm not currently going to college, but my morning routine has stayed pretty much the same. I always start my morning with a glass of lukewarm water after waking up because it helps to rid your body of toxins, keeps you healthy and keeps you looking good and relieves constipation, detoxifies your body. You all know that. But above all this, you have to drink at least a glass of lukewarm water these days, in this pandemic, because our body continuously needs immunity these days. So yeah, after finishing this, I'll do some exercise, yoga and also meditation. And after I've done with my meditation, yoga, I'll tell you why it is very important to do meditation these days. So yeah, let's go with me. So I've done with my exercise. I just want to say that every day is a new opportunity to engage in physical activity, exercise that can bring short and long-term benefit for mood, sleep and physical health. So I'll do some meditation after this. And at the starting of the video, I told you that it is very important to do meditation these days because it boosts our immune system, relieves anxiety, and it can also help us to improve our mental health and emotional health, because we all are stuck in our home from a long time, and a mindfulness meditation involves staying in the present moment without dwelling on the past or in the future. At a moment when people are maybe self-isolating, worrying their finances, socially distancing from their loved ones, and feeling concerned about contracting coronavirus, a meditation can help us to improve our emotional health or mental health, and it can manage our depression, which is exacerbated by the stress. So as a psychology student, I believe that if you do meditation or yoga or exercise for at least 45 minutes or 30 minutes in the morning, it will boost your immune system. You won't feel lazy for the whole day, and so